Good morning, everyone. It's really early. It's about, I don't know, 5:30 a.m. and the sun hasn't even risen yet. It's a really beautiful day. The birds are just waking up. I'm still waking up, but gear's packed and ready to go. We have a long drive ahead of us. Supposedly a lot of really nice brown trout where we're heading. Where we can catch brookies, and there's rainbow trout there as well. So enjoy the video. Ready to go, bro?
I'm ready to when you are.
Oh, I'm ready. Got our essential fuel items.
I love taking like planes people have never seen mountains. Like the Eisenhower time.
Just last week, this lake was covered in probably around 7-8 inches of ice. And we had a bit of a warm spell, and I didn't expect it to hit all the way up here in the mountains. But, you know, we packed for ice fishing. That's fine. That's fine. That's why you bring a backup plan. And so I have my fly fishing gear and my flies. And I have a good feeling we're going to get on some nice trout. Oh, it's windy. Whoa. And hopefully that dies down, but we are in a bit of a wind tunnel. This is gonna look silly with my beanie. What do you think? Oh, look at that! We got something lined with a lure dangling from the bridge. Free stuff right there. If you want to go get it. I just gotta get it to the spot I want, and the water will do the rest of the work for me. Hell yeah! So I have a feeling that my stuff is not set up exactly at the right depth, but we'll do a couple. It's not a very deep lake, especially right here. Oh, I like that you're using ice fishing rigs from the bridge. That's awesome. That's super smart. Oh yeah. Well, just last week. That's why you always pack for a backup plan, right?
Yeah. Oh. You know, we talked about that the whole way up here.
I just had a fish. Oh.
Should have grabbed the rod. No.
Yeah. There we go. Fish on. That's not bad. Okay, my hands are gonna be cold. That's okay, it's my fault for not bringing a net. There we go. Check that out, beautiful fish. Oh, don't go that way, buddy. Go that way. There we go. Heck yeah. Okay, this is really fun. All right, that looks pretty good, especially right down there. Oh, that's some wind. I think fairly soon I'm gonna drive up to Rocky and just take a look, see it, like how the ice is doing up there. Because if Sprague Lake is open, You know, I gotta hit that as soon as possible, man.
Yeah. It's gonna make a pretty fly rod when you go out. That way you can hit it right then and there. It's good.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm always prepared. So roll casting, so when you cast, you kind of want your rod to be out to the side a little bit at like a 40-degree angle. When you bring it behind, you want to kind of bring it back a little bit and create like a D formation behind your back. Obviously with the wind it's a little harder to do, but so you bring it back, and then when you roll cast forward, you want to stop it before you go all the way down. Accelerate and then stop. So
Oh, I see. Like a flick.
yeah. And you want to be very fluid with your motions on a roll cast. Yeah, it takes time. Oh,
Oh, fish.
there we go.
Sam?
It's a little tiny, what is that, a rainbow? Yeah. Heck yeah.
Fish?
Cute little guy. Get over here. Get over here, buddy. Woohoo! Cute little guy.
Oh, I already know your hand's cold.
Yeah. Oh,
That water's cold, boy.
you are very, you still got a hook in your mouth. Let me get that for you. There we go. You still had a little,
Ooh, a fish is over there.
where?
That one. That one.
Yes, sir. Okay, they're on. We gotta get back in the water. Now that the sun's on us, it's actually really nice.
Yeah, it's not a bad day at all. Good day for it.
It's way warmer now.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. That thing is a nice fish. That might be the biggest one all day.
Your rod is so much.
Congratulations, man. That's a nice fish. There we go. Oh, I lost him again. You know, my absolute all-time favorite rig is a 3 fly. Oh, oh, I lost it. I wasn't even. I had my rod in my wrong hand. I said it like this. Like, what? Well, I was trying to talk to you, and then that fish interrupted me. Rude. Anyways, my favorite rig, as I was saying, is it goes stubby chubby down to parachute Adams, and then an RS2 emerger below that. You're getting every single kind of dry fly you could possibly use, all in one rig. And it's really fun to see what fly the fish go for.
Oh, yeah. I wonder how often people end up catching two on the same, like, rig at the same time. I bet that's not very common.
It's not common, and it's extremely difficult to pull off if you do it. Oh, yeah.
Decent one.
Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah, dude. All right, I'm gonna. Oh, that's a nice fish. Get that up here. Get that up here.
That's a good fish. And a hopper. Hell yeah, dude.
Wonderful, dude. That is a good fish, man.
Hold up with the video.
Yeah. Oh, I got it on my.
Hey, he's a nice one.
That's a nice. Look at those colors.
Yeah, he's pretty.
That's a pretty rainbow, man. Look how fast the ice is moving. Wow. Oh, yeah. Spin around, there we go. Look at that view, man. How gorgeous this lake is. Absolutely stunning. Okay, come on. There we go. That's where I want it. We're just gonna let it hang out there for a minute.
Oh, hell yeah, dude, got a fish.
Oh, heck yeah. Oh, heck
Is it a
yeah.
good one? Let me see.
Oh, heck yeah. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Oh, it's big. Where is it?
Oh, yeah.
It's a good one, Sam.
Is that a brownie? Is that
Yeah,
our
that's
first
a good
brownie
one.
of the day? Oh! It's our first. Is that. What is that? Is that a brown trout? Woo! Let's go, bro. Let's go. Where can I get in? Help. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. That. Let's get back. Hold on.
Holy, dude, that's your fish. Yes, man. That's a sick fish, man.
Look at that brown trout. That is one of the nicest brownies I've ever caught.
That's sick, man.
Oh,
You.
look at that thing.
Oh,
Stunning fish.
what a fish, bro. That was cool, man. That was sick. That was the best fish fight of the day.
Yeah! Oh, I'm gonna pass out.
That was the best fish of the day right there. That's the winner.
Oh, did I get that on camera?
I hope you did, dude.
Oh, finally a brown, like I've caught, like most of my browns have been maybe like 10 inches long, and you know, they fight hard, they're good, they're fun fish to fight. But I've caught the one brown that I caught was huge. I think that one, the big one I caught was a 17, 18 inch brown, crazy big fish, but it gave me zero fight, you know, and I felt a little bit cheated out of a brown trout experience. I finally got to experience like a decent brown trout fight, you know. So I didn't get to close this one out on the water. Unfortunately, my battery died pretty much right after I caught that fish. But honestly, that day was a good reminder. We showed up with a plan, it didn't work, and it still turned out to be a pretty awesome day of fishing. Sometimes that's just how it works. But anyways, thank you guys for coming along with me, and I'll see you in the next one.